What's up, jammers? Well, it's light alignment week on Jammer Nation.
Yeah, well today we're going to show you how to align headlights. We have these brand new headlights on our Ford F-150. We're going to show you all the steps. We're going to show you all the steps right now.
It's late night for the old Jammer Nation, so we got to get this thing up. What we want to do is we need to be 25 feet away from the wall.
From where to where?
From the headlight actual assembly to the wall.
Got it.
And then you got to measure, you got to put a dot with your special marker here. It's a dry erase. And you got to find the center of the beam, which I think is going to be somewhere in there, dear. And then you take your old tapey measure, and you got to measure from distance betwixt the ground and your dots alone. We're at like 42 inches.
You know what I think is funny about this, Ryan?
What's that?
You act like you know what you're talking about when I just told you how to do all this like 5 minutes ago.
It's obvious. I'm clearly the one that should be doing this accurately.
Right. Well, you're good. You're right so far.
Accuracy is clearly my strong suit. That's about all I understood. I'm being honest.
All right. Well, we're gonna go up on the wall over here.
Yep.
And you have some blue tape.
Yes, I do.
And we're gonna put a piece of tape at 42 inches up the wall.
All right. Where'd that tape go?
I don't know. That was your job.
Ladies and gentlemen, all 3 ladies that have subscribed, we appreciate you. So now we got to measure from the floor to the ceiling to the sweat. Wait, stop.
What are we what are we doing here? How many inches?
From the ground to 42 inches.
Okay.
And then that's where we want to find the center of our beam, which is right here roughly.
So that should be level, right?
Yep. So now we want to tear a piece of.
No, above. No.
Above?
It's gotta be precise.
Yeah, I'm precise.
Measure it again.
I mean, if anyone in this video group thread YouTube channel knows, when it comes to precision, me and the Jammer Hammer are BFFs. Don't want to mess this up for you, Jason. This is gonna be aircraft certified precision. Oh, can you tell me? Mocker and Scoffer, where are we at right there?
41 and 15/16.
It's good enough for government work.
It is good enough.
Yeah, I just stuck that tape up there.
That's my tape measure you just dropped on the floor.
Older than me, so I don't mind.
See how far off our light is. You see the top of the line? Come back here and look. It's literally like 18 inches different.
Well, let's measure our beam. So our beam is here.
Yeah, up to the bottom. How much is that one off?
14 inches.
14 inches off there. From level.
16 inches.
Yeah, so no wonder they're a little bit off.
Like me.
All right,
they're a little bit off.
So what's the next plan, Ryan? What are we gonna do next?
We're gonna take the lenses out and then we'll adjust them. So we gotta remove the lens to adjust it. And we want this side to be 2 inches lower than the 42-inch line up there. And we want the driver's side to be 4 inches lower than the line over there. Now, Thief, you wanna ask yourself, hey, Jason, why is one 4 inches and the other's 2?
That's a great question. Why is that, Ryan? Why is that the case?
Oncoming traffic. You
What?
always have your driver's side beam lower for oncoming traffic because no one wants to blind anybody and have them going Ray Charles all down the highway. It's not advisable.
Who told you that?
You. You didn't do the whole Ray Charles thing.
No, you added that part to what I told you.
But everything else came from you. The question is which way is up and which way is down?
I could read the email.
I could read the email because you sent it to me. Uno momento, por favor. My fans didn't know I was bilingual. Not only am I handsome, bearded, and amazing, I'm also bilingual.
Really? What's headlight in Spanish?
Headlight.
What's it mean when you think you think you're bilingual but you're actually not?
Morono.
that is true.
4, 5, 6. That is back to where it absolutely was when we started this whole
All right, so let's do that one.
chaotic party. Well, let's make sure we're correct.
Ryan, why does it matter? I'm surprised you're concerned about it. Are you not convinced? Like, right back where we started.
Well, I mean, it would make sense, Jason. If you look at this, it would make sense, since this one says R and L, that it would actually be for up and down. And this one says nothing, so it must be for nothing.
I agree, that's why it's confusing.
This is why we have the coronavirus.
Uh-oh, there's that clip.
Did you pick it up?
I got it.
See what this one does.
So let's go clockwise.
Yep, clockwise.
So how about run one rotation? What do you think?
Sure, Jason.
All right. So Ryan, we just went in
Yes.
one rotation
Yes.
in clockwise, and we'll see if it came up. That's the question. Looks like
it did
looks like it came up.
quite a bit. Yeah, it came up like 5 inches. So in that case, we should go 2 more.
Two more rotations in, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Makes sense that the right and left button would be the one to go up and down. Makes sense. If you think about it, the part that says right and left usually means up and down, and the buttons that say up and down usually mean right and left. Duh. Simple frickin' math.
You make it better by saying it's math.
I almost said geography.
It's math. You know?
Yeah.
R and L.
Yeah.
So which one goes up and down? Neither one?
I'm gonna be honest with you. At this point, I think if we just drive the truck up on a ramp, it'll go up and down.
Yeah. Hey, let me try.
Listen, what did you find down there? What was that, Jay?
So apparently there's a third adjustment.
What's it? Oh, there's a D and a U down there too.
And it, yeah, has right and left, up and down.
So what is this one for?
No idea.
Books, apparently. All right, let's try it.
10.
Yeah, but that was 10 quarter turns.
Yep, it was.
So we don't really know.
It was 10 quarter turns.
It's really nice how you got yourself a light. Where's mine? Jason, that's low. I could be wrong, but I feel like you lowered it.
At least it went up and down. Can we celebrate that?
I mean, we are doing the right adjuster now. That bright light on your head. Here we go. Jason, what are the odds we're up?
Good. I would give it
2 thumbs up, 3 thumbs.
80%
Cisco and Ebert.
80% chance we're close.
I'm gonna go with 72.397.
Okay. All right, here we go.
We're going the right direction, folks. That's right, folks. Left is right, right is left, and up is down, and down is up. All right, folks, moment of truth. And as you can tell with all the experience level we put into this, yep, I would say that's it. Here's your tape. Go measure it. No, stand here.
This.
2.5. Yeah, you're 3 inches. Well, YouTube, we are certified YouTube professionals. So I say that to say we are reading Chinese directions. Okay, so not only is it the wrong direction on the things, but it's also the wrong actual instructions on how to do it in the instructions. So right now...
Wait. Does that make you trilingual?
I don't want to say I speak multiple languages. All right, so I say what I say in Chinese. The lighty no worky righty. So let's adjust this and hope you guys enjoy the entertainment because everything we said is basically useless.
I think we're good. That looks pretty awesome. Sick. On to light number 2, Ryan.
Yes, sir.
It looks like it needs to go. Yeah, I see it now.
See, it's to the left of the crack.
Yep, it needs to go up and to the right, right?
Up and to the right.
So up
and to the right. One, 2, 3.
At least it's nice out.
Yeah, seriously. Not too hot, not too cold. It's like that porch.
Boom! That's it, bro. And there you have it, folks.
The lights are done, son.
So easy.
I mean,
simple. It only took us
27 minutes.
An hour.
But the good news is now they're right. And if you guys need to know how to do it, you can watch our clear, concise directions on how not to do it and then do the opposite.
Clear, unconcise, long.
Well, is it our fault as much as it is
2-minute video, now 8 minutes?
The manufacturer? Which one?
I don't know, but I guess when it's not labeled right, what are you supposed to do?
The opposite.
But we would love for you guys to watch the rebuild on this truck. We hope to have it sold shortly.
Yes.
And we're going to get another vehicle very soon.
And we're going to get some shirts, and we're going to be giving out shirts. So if you comment on this video, let's see.
What sort of promises are you making?
What should the comment be? We're going to pick the comment we like, and the comment we like the best will get a free shirt.
That works.
Yeah, so comment below. The comment we like the best gets a free shirt. And on that note, we'll see you next time. GEARWRENCH!